Hi everyone, and here again we have a problem related to work and time, but in this particular problem we are actually handling two different kind of workforces. They are men and women. Both have different work capacity. That means the work done by both of them in one day is different. It is not same. So now let's read the problem statement first and then we will try to solve it. So the problem statement says 4 women and 3 men can do a piece of work in 2 days, while 6 women and 2 men can also finish it in 2 days. Now find the time taken by one woman to complete the job working alone, and also find the time one man takes to complete the work. Right? So basically we have to find the working capacities of one man and one woman. So if we assume the working capacity of a woman as W and of a man as M, then if we consider the first statement in which it is saying that 4 women and 3 men can do a piece of work in 2 days. So if the working capacity of a woman is W, that means a woman is able to finish the W part of the work in 1 day, then 4 women will be able to finish 4 multiplied by W part of the work in 1 day, and 3 men will be able to finish 3 multiplied by M part of the work in 1 day, and together they will finish 4W plus 3M part of the work in 1 day. And we always assume work as one unit, and since they are taking 2 days to finish the job, so the work done in 1 day multiplied by 2, this will be equal to whole work, that is 1 unit, right? And in the next part of the same statement, it is said that the same work is done in 2 days by 6 women, that is 6W, and 2 men, that is 2M, right? Yes. So if we solve it further, and since both this side, this and this, both of them are equal to 1, that is the unit work, we can peacefully omit this 1 and write this statement as 2 times 4W plus 3M is equal to 2 times 6W plus 2M, right? Yes. And since on both the sides of equal to sign we have 2 as common factor, so if we divide both the sides by 2, we will get 4W plus 3M is equal to 6W plus 2M. And this is what the very first statement was telling us. 4 women and 3 men do a piece of work in 2 days, and 6 women and 2 men can also finish it in 2 days, right? That means the total working capacity of 4 women and 3 men is equal to the working capacity of 6 women and 2 men, right? So now we have this equation, and if we rearrange this, or if we reposition the terms and bring this 2M to this side of the equal to sign and 4W to this side of the equal to sign, let's see what we get. We will get 3M minus 2M is equal to 6W minus 4W, right? And if we further simplify this, we are going to get 3M minus 2M is equal to M, and this is equal to 6W minus 4W, that is 2W, right? So working capacity of a man is actually the double of the working capacity of a woman, right? So we have found this, and since it is an important fact, I'm going to write it over here. We have found that working capacity of a man is 2 times the working capacity of a woman. So I have noted down it here, and now let's concentrate and solve our problem. So this is the relation which we have recently found between the working capacities of a man and woman. The working capacity of a man was double of the working capacity of a woman, right? Now what we have to do? We have to find the time taken by a woman to complete the job, and we also have to find the time taken by a man to complete the same job, right? So let's again start from the beginning. There it was said that 4 women and 3 men were taking 2 days to complete the job, and we consider job as 1 unit. And here W is the working capacity of a woman and M is the working capacity of a man, right? So 4 women together will do 4W part of the work, and 3 men will complete 3M part of the work. This will be the work done by 4 women in 1 day, and this will be the work done by 3 men in 1 day, where M is the working capacity of a man and W is the working capacity of a woman. And they are taking 2 days, so that is why I am multiplying this by 2 to finish the job. And job we consider as 1 unit, right? Now we have to find how much time will 1 woman take to complete the job. And here we have found the relation between their capacities. M is equal to 2W. So now let's put the value of M as 2W in this equation. So we will get 4W plus 3 times 2W is equal to 1, right? So here we will have 4W plus 3 to the 6W is equal to 1. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. W is equal to 1. So this means 20 women, if work for 1 day, they will be able to finish the job. So this means working capacity of a woman is 1 by 20. That is, in 1 day she is finishing 1/20th part of the job. So the time taken by a woman will be 20 days, right? So a woman will take 20 days to finish the job, right? So this is one solution where a woman is taking 20 days to finish the job. And now, since we know this relation where we have found the working capacity of a man is double the working capacity of a woman, so if a woman is taking 20 days, a man will take half of this time, that means half of 20 days, that is 10 days, right? So these are the solutions for this problem.